just like that, welcome to Bristol Sound. You guys might remember I came here a while back when I was talking about throwing some subs in my Tundra. Alex finally got his Tundra, looks like. Got it all dialed in with some wheels, some Fuel Rebels on there, some lights up there as well. CarLink kit.
CarLink kit, I got it on Amazon.
You have all that?
And you get
YouTube, Spotify, Netflix, the whole nine, dude.
Everything, like an Amazon Video.
So sick.
So if you have Amazon Prime, which I do,
yeah,
you can watch pretty much.
Link it up. But you have to have the wireless charging, you said.
It says you have to have wireless charging. I don't really know.
That's weird. What's the relation to that?
I don't know, but I'm just using the regular USB input. And then I have my Wi-Fi hooked up to the box.
Watch movies in here.
Yeah.
On the go. Oh. Okay, I feel that. Did you have to get a new mirror because you broke the old one?
No,
you just vibrated it off?
Well, the other one's so small.
It is pretty small.
I mean? See it back there?
Oh, nice. This place is awesome because you can get a lot of stuff done here in one stop. You got your wheels here, tires, audio needs, of course, and window tint all in one shop.
So what we did is we did a 12-inch P3 Rockford Fosgate audio control LC2 installed, and it's good to go, man. Let us know. Bristol Sound, 7 days a week, brothers.
Hit up Alex. There you go.
Yes, sir.
Nice truck, by the way. I got truck envy now. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. And we are back home. We'll check the new audio setup there on the Wrangler later on today. But ladies and gentlemen, the next major mod for the Tundra, you guys guessed it, a new roll of wrap from KPMF. This here is a brand new color. So you guys a little snippet before it's pulled outside. Dude, check that out. Oh my God. And best believe we are starting it in today's video. While we're at it, may as well show you guys the next major mod for the Wrangler as well. Some XVR one wheels by Lexani. I'm not gonna show you guys what they look like quite yet, but I will say they're a very unique color to what I've done in the past. And these are also 22s. That's for a future video. For today though, let's grab this box right here. Throw in the back of the truck. I've been waiting for the proper day to show you guys this new color, but with overcast, and then more rain coming next week, well, we'll take whatever we can get for today. And it looks like we have a little bit of sun out there right now. So let's grab the wrap, throw it in the back of the truck, and do a proper reveal of this brand new color. Also too, the Grand Cherokee is officially for sale. I threw it up for sale yesterday. Now I know I didn't have it for very long. It doesn't make sense to keep the Grand Cherokee and then also my Wrangler, because the Wrangler works just fine as a daily driver, and that's kind of the plan for this right here, was to have it as a daily. I don't want to sell it, but I also don't want to keep it. And I feel like once I throw the wheels and tires on there, wrap it, and now with that new sound system, I don't really see me driving this over that on a daily basis. So it's officially for sale. So it's kind of like a gold with a greenish kind of undertone to it. Not sure if you guys can tell too well on camera. Very close to my actual gold sticker right there. A lot more shine to this one. Wow, look how shiny that is. That's unreal, honestly. It's incredibly shiny. So fun fact, I've actually never done a gloss wrap before. I've always done matte or satin finishes. This is my first time doing gloss, and look at that. I don't know if you guys can tell too well on camera, but that is a very shiny finish right there. So it's gonna look really good, I feel like, on the truck. Look a little more kind of like OEM sort of plus type of look. and gentlemen, it's called glassing the film. So it's not tacked down yet, but it's stretched out evenly in every direction, looking like glass. Now it's time to squeegee it down and then cut off the excess. But dude, the color though. Now check this out. One of the beautiful things about KPMF is how amazing their air release is. Look how big that bubble is. Watch it disappear. Insane. And just like that, got the first panel wrapped up here in the Gloss Verde Solaris. Very fancy name, but dude, check that out. Also too, for comparison's sake, so the decal here on my windshield is just straight up gold, and the Gloss Verde Solaris is a mixture of green and gold. You guys can definitely see the green tone in there compared to the decal there on the windshield. Super cool color, very eye-catching color for sure. It's gonna look really good next to all the black details too, like the wheels, the fender flares, the matte black roof, the grill and stuff like that. It's gonna look so sick. I could definitely see some people being kind of confused when they see this in person because it is a gloss wrap, so it looks similar to a paint job. Some people might think it's like a new Toyota color. Who knows, but either way, it looks really good. Cindy should be here pretty soon as well. I'm gonna show her the new setup there in the Wrangler, the new subwoofer setup. And I'm gonna kind of prank her though. So I'm gonna show her the sub, demonstrate the subwoofer to her at the lower setting. Be like, hey, what do you think? Sounds good, right? And then she'll be like, yeah, sounds good, sounds clean. And then I'm gonna turn it up to a higher setting and then see how she reacts. I'm pretty sure she's never experienced a proper subwoofer before, and that thing absolutely slaps. So I got new bass. Copyright free music. Sounds good, right? Yeah. Good song? You like that song? Yeah. Play a concert in here, huh?
Yeah, I can like feel it vibrating.
Take this weight off my chest, put my demons to rest when I go. Let me go. Taking my step back 'cause I want that. I don't care what I want. Whatever the price tag, I'ma pull up.
Pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah.
Up on the chain with a little ice on it. It's a little ice for you. No one ever is nice to you. The price is right.
Like a concert.
I want cash, I'll take a step.
You feel it, huh?
I feel it like a concert.
Yeah.
Waves making them waves. Don't talk about
It goes up a little higher, actually.
the place, catching the day.
The bass goes higher.
Really?
A little bit.
Be amazed. Yeah, I got it.
Ready? Oh my gosh. You legit can't see straight. It blurs your vision.
It's like blurring everything.
Oh my gosh, dude.
No, but do you hear vibrating in here? Like,
it vibrates. It vibrates everything.
Oh.
Can you believe that's one speaker?
No,
That's one 12-inch speaker.
that's wild.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah,
No.
I can't imagine two.
No, I couldn't either. At least that
Do people
speaker.
get two?
People get two all the time. Yeah.
That's wild. Can you get pulled over for like having too loud of a sound?
Yeah, definitely. Oh my god. Little baby.
No.
That was still only halfway turned up. You want some more?
Play, what's a good band that has a lot of bass?
Little baby. Wow. I'm not even, like, when you're looking straight, it blurs your vision.
Yeah.
That's aggressive, but I love it. That is wild. That was money well spent right there, I'll tell you that much. Definitely hit up my guys over at Bristol Sound. They know how to make some noise. I'm sure it's like super distorted on camera right now, but those guys did an amazing job. Oh my gosh, dude, seeing it in the sunlight's a whole different story. Look at that metallic flake to it, dude, what? It's kind of cool how it matches the metallic flake here in the actual OEM paint job too, which is actually really cool to see them side by side before the truck's all done. You can see the high gloss in that wrap compared to the paint job. Wow, dude, it's impressive. It truly is impressive how shiny it is but then you see the metallic flake hit it, and it's like, when the sun hits that metallic flake, it's crazy, dude. Color's cool. So the main reason why I usually avoided doing gloss wraps in the past was because the majority of the wraps I've seen in the past from other companies never look convincing next to a paint job. They usually look more like shiny than they do actually glossy, not to mention filled with tons of orange peel as well, which just doesn't look good. As you guys can see, I mean, I truthfully can hardly find any orange peel, if any at all, right here. So looks really good, and the shine to it too looks really convincing next to a paint job. Not 100% there, but very, very close in terms of a vinyl wrap. So very impressed with what KPMF has been able to produce with their line of gloss films, because I also use their gloss black on the roof of my Grand Cherokee, and it looks absolutely amazing too. And gloss black will probably show the most orange peel of any color out there at all. There she goes, driving out for the last time. It was a good run. I barely drove that thing, dude. I put like 300 miles on it. Barely drove it. And just like that, the Grand Cherokee is officially sold. That thing sold super quick. I advertised it online 2.5 days ago. Today's day 3 actually, and it's already sold. Sold super fast, but I assumed it would because it was a pretty special looking whip. That matte black wrap one looked absolutely insane. So anyways, it's all sold, and now we're down to 2 vehicles. I've come to the realization I'm not a fan of owning 3 vehicles and beyond. Anything past 2, I don't know how you YouTubers do it that own 4, 5, or 10 vehicles. How do you keep them all clean? And just everything that comes with vehicle ownership, I don't know how you guys maintain that. For me, anything past 2 is a bit of a mess. But anyways, it's sold. Now we have the Wrangler and the Tundra, which I'm gonna wrap on some more panels today on that thing right there. First, take it down to the car wash, get it all prepped out. There's some mud in the wheel liners, and then we'll wrap some more panels on that thing right there. But first, I want to show you guys the new setup there in the Wrangler, show you guys how clean it's all laid out, the subwoofer and the amp and stuff like that, and then we'll get to wrapping on some more panels. Let's do it. Keys. Oh, there it is. See, prime example, keeping track of your keys. So here's the setup. Got the Rockford Fosgate P3 12-inch subwoofer there in a ported box here in the trunk, and then underneath the driver's seat, a Rockford Fosgate amplifier as well with the LC2 line-out converter on top of it. That's what I needed to convert the speaker audio essentially from the factory stereo here into a low-level frequency, which means something we can use for bass. Bass knob here in the front. And best believe this thing does not go very far past that point right there, because anything past there are blowing eardrums and setting off car alarms. Trust me, when I say my tolerance for bass is pretty high, it's pretty high. I've always had subs in my cars and stuff like that. I've been around a lot of bass, been a lot of concerts and stuff like that. This is louder than I'm able to handle out of one 12-inch speaker, and it's honestly better than any 2 12s combined I've ever heard, ever. The Rockford Fosgate P3 is the way to go. You want to shake the block? That's the one to get. Dude, this is coming out absolutely amazing. Now I have a few panels all done here that are connecting and getting a feel for what this will look like. Boss Verde Solaris from KPMF is looking absolutely on point. The combination of green and gold is looking pretty good together. Very unique color, that's for sure. I've personally never seen anything like it on the road, so it'd be definitely different, that's for sure. And a very paint-like finish to it because it's glossy, which I can see some people on the road being very confused on if this is a wrap even, or if it's a custom paint job or a new factory color. Aiming to have this done by, hopefully by Monday. That's 3 days from now. Overall, today was a very productive day. Got the Grand Cherokee sold, got the system hooked up there in the Wrangler, and some good progress done here on the Tundra. So definitely a solid day, but that's all I have for you guys right now. As always, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one very soon. Till then, peace out.